Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. This is your first time here. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell. That way you won't miss a video. Today's video that I am bringing you is something so fun and amazing, and honestly, I just couldn't wait to share it. This video is all about luxury kitchens. So there is no one style to qualify a kitchen as a luxury kitchen, but you will notice that most of the kitchens featured today are big, as in really big, really large. So some additional common features of luxury kitchens may include, but are not limited to, kitchen islands. Sometimes they're often large, and sometimes there are even more than one. You may see some granite or marble countertops. Another feature that you may see in quite a few luxury kitchens are custom kitchen cabinets that extend to the ceiling. Also, you will see a lot of hardwood or tile flooring, custom lighting, tile backsplashes, sometimes arranged in really ornate patterns. You'll definitely see stainless steel appliances and sometimes even an eat-in section at the island or a large peninsula. In some cases, you can see glass-faced cupboards, and in a few rare cases, you'll see some examples of full double-sided refrigerators and even kitchens that feature two ovens, a must-have for the cook that likes to cook especially large quantities of food. These kitchens will feature no lack of storage and will have space for every conceivable kitchen appliance and gadgets like fancy blenders, panini makers, coffee machines, or in this case, high-end espresso machines, juicers, food processors, and so much more. Shockingly, some of the kitchens that we are featuring today were actually priced in excess of $100,000. Can you imagine? I know some people whose houses are not $100,000, but just one room in a home for $100,000. So you absolutely know that these are going to be mansions and estates. We can all dream, can't we? What's interesting with all of these kitchens are the incredible variety in design. I mean, you see some terrific examples of luxury modern kitchens and country, rustic, even a few contemporaries, Mediterranean, traditional, transitional, everything in between. This goes to show if you have the money to bankroll your dream kitchen, you can do it in whichever style that you want, and it will be successful. Another really cool feature about the kitchens that I am presenting you today is that they come in all colors as well. I mean, of course, we have our standard luxury white kitchens, which I feel will never go out of style, but you also see some wood tone, greens, blacks. There's even a modern red kitchen, and of course, let's not even talk about the black and gold. You guys know how much I love a black and gold. It just looks so elegant, regal, and chic. The one thing that I love about this channel is that carefully examining not only luxury kitchens, but any other designs that we bring, it can give you great ideas for your own kitchen, even if it's not a luxury kitchen, or your own closet, or your own living room, or restroom, or any other room in your home. You know, of course, unless you win the lotto, you maybe can't replicate these kitchens down to the very last spatula, but you can certainly get great design ideas for features that you want to use in your kitchen. Maybe some of these have inspired you to go with a pendant lighting, or to try a black and gold color scheme, or maybe to implement marble in a backsplash. You know, whatever it is, it's all about broadening our horizons to see different features and allowing us the opportunity to pick and choose what we like out of that to incorporate in our homes, to make it something that we really, truly love. Be sure to comment down below and let me know, would you invest upwards of $50,000 in a luxury one-of-a-kind kitchen like this if money was not an option, or if money was not an issue for you? Definitely, man, this kitchen right now, it really makes me wish that I had 50 or 75,000 to invest, because it's absolutely gorgeous. But would you feel a certain type of way about cooking in a kitchen like this? Feel like it's so pretty and nice? I wouldn't want to light the first fire in here. It's absolutely gorgeous. Alrighty guys, so I have shown you so many different examples of luxury kitchens. Comment down below what your favorite is. If you want to know mine, it's this beauty right here. You guys already know I have a strong thing for black and gold. I love it. It's so elegant together, but this kitchen is just my dream. There are a few things that I think I would change, and honestly, it was pretty tough to find a favorite, but this really comes close. Alright friends, if you have enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with all home decor lovers in your life. Once again, it has been a pleasure to bring this video. I'll just see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye friends.